Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
तुमचे डिपार्टमेंटान एक सर्क्युलर इश्यू केल्ले रिगार्डिंग 1000 स्क्वेअर मिटरा वयली जर सनद कन्वर्जन सनदीचे फायल आहात जाल्यार ती गव्हर्मेंटाक येवची म्हणून ती विड्रॉ केली म्हणून आयकता आनी कित्याक?
Yeah, no, we have discussed this issue with the collectors and secretaries. But we felt that getting this back again to the revenue department, that will further on delay the procedure. So there are files which are come and pending with the revenue department. So that is the reason we said until unless we see how the procedure will be simplified. So we intend not to further delay the process. We have withdrawn the sir. I think the SANAD takes at least 3 months to within 3 months to 6 months time it takes. So why basically it takes so long? We are into it. That all these whichever concerned departments are there. Once say in another 15 days time, every 15 days time, fortnight, they can sit down and discuss these issues instead of going around in all the departments. So if the representatives all these departments come and in the collectorate only and discuss these issues, you understand, and the reports are submitted immediately, then I think this is one of the way that we can simplify the matter.
जमनीच्या रूपांतराच्यो फायली टीसीपीची प्रक्रिया सोंपली काय उपजिल्लोधिकारी जिल्लोधिकारी मेरेन वताल्यो मदींच 1000 चौखंड मिटरा वयल्या जमीन रूपांतर संदीची फायली सरकारा कडेन वचपाक जाय म्हूण रेव्हेन्यू खात्याचो एक नोट आयिल्लो. तशें केल्यार त्यो फायली येणावळ मंत्री बाबुशा कडेन वचपाच्यो. रियल इस्टेट उद्देगाक प्रकरण कत्र गेलें. नोटाचेर गोंयचे क्रेडाय संघटनेत हरकत घेतिल्ली. प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिरगळ.